Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center. Moving into a forward bend variation, step your left foot open to the left, rooting down through your foot for support. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. When you're ready, slowly glide your hands down your right leg, and then lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, glide your hands down your right leg, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your core engaged and your right leg active by flexing through your right heel, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Step your right foot open to the right, rooting down through your right foot. Then extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. When you're ready, begin to glide your hands down your left leg, folding forward, and then lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, folding forward from your hip creases, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.